Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about annotations in our Playwright. What are the annotations are there? If you go here, there is an annotation tag in the Playwright test. Okay. If you click the annotations, you can able to see the annotations here. Okay, and this is completely 5 annotations, and they are mentioned is 4 only. One is commonly we can use. There is a only. Okay, skip and fail and fix me and slow. These are the 5 annotations we have. One by one we'll see how it works. Okay, and now here we'll go ahead here, and now we will move on run for one particular annotation that is called only tag. Okay, only tag. How only tag works? Now I'll take for 2 annotations, 2 test cases. Okay, and here if I mention only, okay, and only tag for A1, only tag for A2, sorry, okay, and here I'll write for console.log, that is A1, okay, and here console.log, and I'm going to do for A2, okay. Now if I run this particular one, which one it will open? It will run only for this particular tag itself, because we are mentioned for only. Without only, first we'll run how many test cases will run. Okay, and I'll go ahead here and I'll mention for here tags.spec.ts. I'll run. Oh, it's open for test cases. We mentioned only one now. It will open now because I mentioned the page, right? That's why it is opening and it is closing. But it will open for 2. Now you can see A1 and A2. Both the cases it is open, right? Now I will remove these pages also. Not required, right? Okay. Now if I mention here only tag. Okay. Now if I run here, see here it is run only one test case. Now it is passed only, that is called A1, because only will indicate for which is the one we are going to use for only that particular test case only it will execute. It will not execute for other than that. Maybe you will get for one more question, can I use for only tag to another test case also? Yes, we can use it. We have mentioned only for 2 test cases now. Whether it will run or not, it will run. Now you can see 2 test cases running, A1 and A2. Both the test cases got passed. Right? Like this, we can able to use for only tag. Okay. Now we'll see for one more. Okay. And we can see for another one, skip tag also we can see. Okay. This is a only tag. Only tag. Okay. Now again I'll copy these 2 test cases. I'll paste it here. I'll remove for only here as well. Okay. Now this is my skip tag. Skip A1 and skip A2. Okay. Now the skip you can able to do for two ways. One is browser perspective and another one is like conditional base, or you can able to use for skip tag directly. Now after running it is showing that Chromium is your browser. Okay. Or if you use for some condition like it, if 5 is equal to 1, A is equal to B. Why it is not taking? Some condition base also we can use it. Now if I use for skip directly, here the skip tag. Now A1 it will be closed. You can see now. First we will see for direct skipping. A2 tag will be skipped directly, and only for, you can see there are two tags, but one is skipped, another one is passed, and A1 is passed, and one more test case got skipped it. Okay, this is a one case. And if I not going to use skip as a tag here, I don't want to use here, I want to use as a condition. You can use for browser name, a page comma browser name, and here if browser name is equal to Chrome, then you can use for test.skip. Test.skip. If that is equal, then you can first argument must be the object of pattern Playwright. Implicitly has any type, but after type 10, so first argument must use the, why it is not allowing. Must use the object distracting the pattern. Here it is. Why it is shows the Playwright. Let's skip tags A3, and then I think browser browser is equal to s dot skip. Okay. Now I'm going to run. After this, if it is equal, then it will go and skip it. Otherwise, if it is not equal, then automatically it will execute. See, three test cases, two test cases got passed because of that name is not equal. Chromium is my browser. I hope it will see. The test case got wrong again. If it is after equal, also it is not working. It should work it. It is not working. It is showing one test case is skipped. Writing mistake or something. Yes. Sorry. Writing mistake. Basically, it will skip now. See, it will skip two skips and one is passed. Okay. Basically, my mistake only. See, when we are going to use for skipping, whenever something you are going to develop in any script, okay, but it is not developed, but scenario wise you need to implement, then you can able to use the skip functionality when it is executed, like in a pipeline or something, then it will skip that particular test cases until unless you completely develop. That moment we can able to use for skip functionality. Okay, there is one more functionality. It is the Fixme. Fixme also is one kind of skip functionality only, but it is like you develop the script, but unfortunately that particular script has some defect. Okay, first time you entered and everything done, and also you executed in a pipeline, but unfortunately that particular script is having bug. Okay, you need to fix the code. That moment you can able to use for Fixme. This Fixme will work like similar format of skipping itself. Okay, how the script it will script, right? Similar format it will script. Okay, we can show you. I'll copy this one, and here we can able to use for Fixme. So Fixme. Okay, and this will be Fixme tag, I need to submit. Okay. Now if I run, see one got skip and another one is pass. Okay, same place. With the skip functionality wise only it will work. When the count also it will go as a skip location. If you say there is no fix me, right? Just it is a skip because it is skipping. Whenever you can use for fix me also it will work as a skip, but only like whenever you want some defect fixing or something, that moment you can able to use the fix me. That fix me will says that if you go and see in the particular location, somebody can able to understand, okay, this particular script is saying that fix me, then maybe it is have a defect or something code need to be implemented, re-implement. That moment they are using like that, it will go on saves. Okay, and automatically we can know about it, and we can do it. Okay, and 1 minute. Oh, God. Next annotation is of fail. Fail annotation also it will work like a similar format for skip only, but skip is says that you need to skip that particular test case. But if you use that fail annotation, right, it automatically says you need to fail that particular script in your automation. Then only you can able to use. Means you can say there is a assertion. Okay, you are going to expecting as a fail, but that exception is saying that true, then your annotation is a fail. Okay, but if it is your exception is true, then automatically your script says that fail. If both are fail, like expected and your features both are fixes, it is give the fail. True, then it is going to give that fail, then it will be pass. I'll show you, it will be little bit confusion. Okay, now you can see here. Now simple way here, fail. Okay, failed animation. Failed animation, fail tag A1. Okay, now this is my console, but expected what I mentioned, right? One to be, okay, both are true. Okay, now you can see if I execute now, say now it is the tag is says that fail A1, and what we are expected to be fail, but it is passed. See, automatically saying that because our test case is saying that fail, but we are that expected error message is saying that true. Then automatically our test case got failed. Even you can able to see here as well, it is showing the same format. Okay, then how you can able to do it? And if you go for true, okay, because now it is fail section. This is the fail. If both are fail, then it will give as a true. See, pass. This is a little bit different, like comparing to all the annotations. If you use as a fail, that expected message also to be fail. Sorry, then only it will give as a true. If your annotation is saying that fail, but your expected is true, then our test case will be fail. Okay, it's like true tables. Okay, when it's true, it will come as a true, and true false again it is combo and operator. or operator means we can able to get the true, but or operator it says that, right? And operator, that's logical way you can need to use it. Okay. And one more thing is like slow. Okay, this script will work as a different. Okay, I'll show you how it works. Now we can go ahead and take the slow annotation. Okay, if this slow annotation, how it works, right? You can say this is the one. Okay, and if you click this slow annotation also, this is a timeout annotation. You can able to take the duration and everything. You can able to reuse like this, and browser need to be get it. Okay, and then only we can able to take. Okay, and before and all we need to reuse, and if it is filled then automatically it will fill, because whenever you use this annotation, right, when the browser is getting too much of time to load it, that moment we can able to use it. Okay, otherwise we can't. This slowness, it says that in case you are what we can able to say, your timeout it is taking more time, then automatically our script will be failed. That moment we can able to use for this particular uh, slow annotation. This slow annotation will says that you can give the some condition and description, also callback also we can provide, and here or else you can use for inside the test also we can use for this one. Okay, and you can see there is a playwright.config use me, yeah, here itself. Set timeout. This is a timeout we need to use it. uh, Use me location we can able to use for some timeout. That timeout it will work for you to as expected. The time directory also we can able to use it. Here it is 60 and this one time 30 seconds. You can go ahead and see now. Curly braces page. Now wait, page dot photo, and then you can take as this one. See, failed because of timeout is 30 milliseconds exceeded while setting the context. Okay, because our time is very less. Because of that, it is not able to execute it. Right now, if I go ahead and use it for test dot slow, okay, test dot slow. Now again I'm running. Is more than that context itself it is not opening, and we can use for at least 1000 seconds. Now it is passed. We'll use for 5,000, sorry, 500 milliseconds. See, now it is okay. And if I remove or if I use it to comment, it is failing because of time exceeding 500 milliseconds is not able to launch itself. It is open, but it is not loading completely. Because of that, it is failing. Okay. And while we use this particular test.slow, and automatically it is taking the time and it is open our browser also. We are already seen, right? This basically it will depends upon the time. Okay. Now it is passed. Okay, these are the annotations and you can able to use it, and the same format you can able to use it also in a JavaScript also. Okay, last couple of videos I'm not executing, and maybe more of the peoples will take as a bad. Okay, sorry. Because most of the cases are similar format we can able to execute, that's why I'm not going to show you much on here. Tags, yes, is not there. And last video, which is the browser context. Browser context will not work in a JavaScript location because it is not the much way to use it. And playwright config and time we need to use, right? Now your test got passed. Okay, like this we can able to pass our scripts. Okay, even you can able to execute for all the scripts except browser context, which is I explained in my last video. Okay, thank you for watching and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.